Yeah, just roll with it. Just run with it. Just go with it, baby.
Give me like the two old farts on the YouTube. How does this work?
Yeah,
Okay.
Bree. Well, people have been asking to see more of Bree lately, and they've also been asking for a tour of the boat. So
I've taken some of my favorite snapshots of the boat, and Bree's put them together for a slideshow for you.
that's because neither one of us is going to take responsibility for this.
It's all
But so
Bree's fault.
it's all Bree. It's all her. Bless
Anyway,
her heart.
hope you guys enjoy.